Alright, so I guess this is a disassembly video for two round magazines for two different guns. I have a Coast to Coast model 180, that's this one right here, and Marlin model 55, both 12 gauge. So on the Marlin model, you have three pieces, and you take it apart by pushing this side down, sliding it out, and you got your three pieces. You got this kind of M-shaped spring with this piece attached, which this one is different. So you have this spring, you have the top plate, and you have the actual box part of the magazine. So this piece always goes against the front part. If your gun is pointed this way, this is the front, that'll be out in front of you, and this slotted groove will be behind you with the magazine catch. So you always put that part against the front part of the gun, front part of the magazine. And I'm pretty sure that's with all of these type of magazines, but I haven't obviously used all of them. So the top plate generally has this wider side and the narrower side with a slight bend in that side that goes to the back. So you just push that down underneath this dimple and push that down until you can get this one behind this slot, these catches. So that's how you assemble that. And this one goes pretty much exactly the same way, except this one is a 4-piece magazine. But everything, this goes together the same exact way. Now the only difference is you have a longer and a shorter side, and that might change the way your magazine loads. So whichever way it works better, that's the way you should do it. You should try it both ways, see which one actually lifts the shell up high enough to put it in, both of them. So again, this piece goes against, this is the back, that's the front. You put this against the front, you'll put that down inside. This one's a little bit harder because this thing keeps wanting to move forward on you. That's not too much of a problem. You'll just put this in the same way you put in the other one, underneath that dimple, but you pull this back up on top of there. Put it under the dimple, and then you can push it all the way in, and there you go.